Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making a quick stir-fry seafood dish, stir-fried calamari. First we are going to prepare the squid. Clean up one squid, slice it open. Now you can keep it simple by just slice it into rectangular strips, or you can go fancy with some crust pre-slicing first before slicing the squid into rectangular strips. This way the squid will have the shape of wheat ears when cooked. We are also going to slice some scallions, cut half a red onion into strings, and chop up some garlic and ginger. We need to blanch the squid with boiling water first for a minute. It will show the beautiful shape if you slice it in the fancy way. Take it out of the boiling water to avoid overcooking. For the stir-fry part, heat up the wok, add some oil, then put in the garlic and ginger, along with half of the scallion and onion strings. Stir-fry those for a minute to get the flavor out. Add some salt and stir well. Then add the blanched squid. Add some soy sauce, black peppers, and the rest of the scallions, and then do the final stir-fried. You should only need to stir-fry the blanched squid for about a minute on high heat to keep it tender. We hope you can enjoy this nice-looking dish. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new dishes each week. See you next time.